Okay, let's start playing again. Bullet Force. Okay, so this is my teammate, the blue. So let's look for the red one. So I'm gonna use the was functionality, jumping with the space, and we just to be careful here. I cannot waste the bullets. Let me see. I have 30 out of 100. As you can see, tab. So I am in the PC. Okay, that's it. Let me see. I'm just gonna keep. Let's start looking for those dudes. Hey, no, it's my friend. So we're alone, but I cannot see those red ones. So let me see. Where do they? Yeah, whoa. Let's go here. Well, let me see. Yeah, we need to go inside the building, man. Okay, so yeah, let's go here inside and let's see if we can now. Yeah, maybe we can go upstairs. So there's no Russians, there's no red ones. So oh, there's nothing here, man. Okay, so we need to get out of here. Okay, just chill out. Okay, there's another dude here. Okay, where is? Okay, let me see. Oh, chill out. Okay. Whoa. So we are right now in this. Okay. So there is one. Okay. Whoa, man. Yeah, I know. Damn it. Somebody. Okay, I can see the red ones now. You got me. Hey, damn it. Shit. I don't know who did a sniper. Damn it. You damn sniper. I knew it. Alright, so he got me. That was a good one. Damn it, that sucks. So he killed me like that. Okay. Yeah, but I mean, that was the. So now we are gonna go. Okay. Take that. Oh, come on, man. You have to die with that. What is. Oh, come on, man. I threw my grenade and he didn't. Hey, chill out. Okay, so. Now we did a warm-up, so let's start playing serious this time. Okay, I can see a red one over there. Oh, damn it. Ah, damn it, this is a sniper. I don't know where he is, but he got me. If I better keep moving, if not I'm gonna be a sitting duck. Damn it. Oh man. Yeah, there was no way I was gonna get away with that, so yeah. Enemy, okay, blah blah blah. Damn it. Okay, yeah. They're they're getting me.
Throwing grenade!
No, that's a blue one. And if I shoot the blue one, I don't think he's gonna die. I think that's okay. Damn it, I cannot see them. So where I'm supposed to shoot them? Ah, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna have to start clearing those. It's gonna be a war door by door, so let's keep moving. So oh man, come on. Man, they killed me how many times? Oh man, come on. Okay, so I am in the roof right now. No, I'm not in the roof, so whoa, so man, I cannot even see those Russians, so this is just getting crazy. No signal, so how am I supposed to? Yeah, 5. Come on, man. T5. Okay, so yeah, this is getting. Oh man, there's too many of them now. Okay, I don't care. Oh man, I need to jump. Whoa. Okay, I continue. So okay, they killed me 7 times. So man, that sucks. Okay, so they're gonna send us right now to tap option. Let's go to the Sen 1 canyon. Okay, so Sen or canyon. Okay, so okay, tap option below to vote for the next map. So okay, so we need to wait a little bit. And yeah, we're playing this Bullet Force. So let's see, Kenyan or the Sen. So this is Asian country, so it might be cool. So let's play it. Okay, so let's see if okay, connecting. Yeah, okay, USA. Yeah, okay, Canada. Okay, loading. And yeah, that's fine. And where am I now? I'm in the same thing. So I'm with all these snipers, so these Russian snipers. Okay, so now I cannot jump. What? Hey, damn it, I cannot do it. Jump. Okay, so I'm just gonna. I think the Russians are gonna be. Yeah, I can hear them. So man. Okay, so I'm just gonna have to. Oh man. Finally kill one, so man, I need to grab their I need to grab their gun. So okay, with D, yeah, I pick up their gun. So because okay, so now I have 27 rounds. So yeah, I was worried about I was getting I was running out of rounds. Hey, chill out. I saw one, but I think that was my team. No, hell, not my team. So why he didn't shoot me? Oh man, that was an easy pick. Ah man, he got me, man. This dude is PC. Yeah, man, you're good, man. You got me. And you got me again. Come on, man. Okay, so. Oh, come on. You guys to be kidding me. Man. Okay. I cannot believe they took me also. Yeah, that's too much, man. Come on, man. Is this for real? Hey, man. Hey, I took one. Okay, so I took. Whoa. I know, man. Okay, so I just killed one. Okay, so I didn't kill the other one, so I was just dead, I guess. Damn it. They're not gonna give me points for that. Yeah, red line. I bet the Russians are gonna be over there. Ah, come on. Yeah, man, that sniper got me. Oh man, no, he's my teammate, so. Ah man, these dudes are crazy. Okay, no. Yeah, I mean, where is the red one? So. Okay, no, see, yeah, whatever. I just don't mind it. So let me see. I'm just gonna. Okay, so the fighting is over here. Okay, so. Man, I don't know. They're gonna. Oh, they can attack me from anywhere with these snipers. Ah man, I better keep moving. So if I stay still, I'm just gonna be a sitting duck. So whatever. Oh man. Well, at least I was able to shoot something. I saw him, but man, it was too late. And that's all. Whoa, come on, man, don't be that spooky. That's all. You. Okay, so let's give it another try.
Grenade out!
Okay, so Russian. Okay.
Grenade!
What the hell happened? Man, they're just too good. Okay, man, I need to make some points. I need to assist somebody, man, because they're just taking me out. Whoa, man, they took out my friend. Oh man. Oh, there are 21 to 11, so that's the reason as well. So there are too many of those. But hey, man. Hey. Oh man, that was okay. So I'm just gonna wait for these dudes better. If I go head on, I'm just gonna get. Okay, the fighting is over there. And damn it. What? Man, I can't even see them. Man, these dudes are so good. Okay. But what? Whoa, man, they took my friend down so quickly. Man, that sucked. Okay, I took that. I took that with me. That's cool. So yeah, I mean, I'm cool with that.